Knowledge has only one purpose. What? To remove ignorance. Removing ignorance. और क्या काम है knowledge का? Something is there. I am removing of ignorance is my work. And where is ignorance? Bole ignorance is in my room. So where is ignorance? The knowledge can keep in the room only. Well, ignorance is in the mind only. Therefore, knowledge has to be in the mind only. Bole suniye, this you all teach and this Gita etc. All is an intellectual work. But your problem is also intellectual. Why you are afraid of this intellectual process? Whole Vedanta is intellectual process. Because you are wrong in something. You are understanding yourself wrong. You are understanding the issues wrong. You are understanding the person wrong. So you need right understanding. And for right understanding, you have to come to the wrong. You have to go to the Vedantic classes. And therefore, knowledge will take place in the mind only. I hope this much is clear. So don't get carried away. Bole, this is intellectual gymnastic. You are already fallen intellectually. You think I should get a lot. You have expectation from that person. You have not understood world will not fulfill your expectation. You have a wrong knowledge about that. Well, why he doesn't do what I want? World is not meant for that. People have their own strong nature. People don't listen to you. And therefore, they will never do what you want. Please keep away this wrong understanding. But this understanding came only after listening to remove. So because you have wrong understanding, attachment is also wrong understanding in my intellect. That there is a lot of joy in this person. And I want this person for me only. This is my attachment. If attachment is where is the location? Intellect, understanding. Hatred, fear. Well, I think somebody is in my room. Somebody is walking with me. When I walk, I think somebody is walking with me. Which side? The right side. Your shadow is there. Oh, sorry. Sometimes it so happens you go to a new room, hotel room or somebody, and big mirror is there. You did not know. I don't know it happened with you or not. All of a sudden, and you say, who is there? Then you say, for a moment you feel afraid. Sometimes bathroom is such, you don't know bathroom. What kind of? Initially you go, full of mirror only. Big mirrors are there. And you just go, hey! So you say, hey, you are there. For a moment you get very, so understand this, we have problem of intellect only. So don't somebody came, Bole Swamiji, tell me, to do good social work is better or to hear through satsang? That is better. I said to have eyes is better or to have leg is better. When you have eyes, you can walk better. Satsang is removing the wrong notions and putting a right notion. Or kya kar raha hai satsang? Bole, my husband, wife will not go away. No. I can go back home. Where? After our course is over. You won't hold us back, no? Why will I create problem in the ashram? You will be allowed to go. Yes, anytime you can go. Today also you want to go, you go. I have no problem. I don't hold on to anybody. Well, I am afraid if I become sannyasi, what will happen to my child? No, you go, don't worry. It is not interfering in your life. Vedanta is interfering into your wrong understanding. You earn money, you have marriage, you have child, no problem at all. You can go. Only thing, don't understand wrongly. This is where insistence is there. Now I am coming to another point. Manasa ev avaptavyam. Is it clear now? So when you hear such a statement, well, you are only intellectual. Study of physics is not intellectual process. And because of that intellectual process, only somebody makes rocket, somebody makes medicines. Engineering is not intellectual process. If you are electronic engineer or civil engineer, mechanical engineer, or you are computer engineer, first thing is there, whiteboard is required, book is required, classes are required. He will be explaining is this is diode, this is triode, this is how this works, this is the electricity point is there, the electricity comes from here, you make like that and make a pointer like that. Whole thing is intellectual process first, then only it has to be applied in something else. So don't have this notion, funny notion, that only study is there, study is most first step is to study. Doctor has to first study, then only he can work out this application of that knowledge after that. Not that doctor he has to first know, in the first the anatomy he will know. What is the structure of the body? Where is liver, where is heart, where is kidney? He has to know anatomy. Then he can go ahead. If somebody says, no, you all only study. Study. After study, I will serve also. After study, I learn also. Depends what is my taste. Anything I can do also. And if I feel, no, I want to study only and give my life, that is also there one life. Now, next point. Manasa ev avaptavyam. This knowledge of Atma is known by intellect only. Why? Anybody will tell? Knowledge of the Atma. Acha, we have knowledge of Atma or ignorance of Atma? Huh? See, dhyan dena. Don't think I am ignorant of Atma. I am existing, I know that. I am not totally ignorant. I am existing, I know myself, I have knowledge. Ignorance is I am infinite. I am beyond Desh Kal. This is ignorance aspect. So not that I am totally not knowing anything. If something you totally don't know, there will be no doubt. If you know something totally, then also there is no doubt. If you see the rope on the totally dark, you don't have noticed also dark rope is there, you will not have illusion that the snake is there. And if you see total light is there, then also it is only dusk time is there that you partially saw something, then the problem starts. If I had known myself totally, no problem. If I had not known at all, no problem. I know partially. What? I am, I know. But how am I small or big? This is the area of I am dash. This dash we keep on filling the blanks. I am child, I am husband, I am wife, I am poor, I am rich, I am fortunate, I am unfortunate, I am lovely but not fair. Or I am very intelligent, or I am not, I am dullard. I am very smart. You keep on filling it. I am, the suffix is a ignorance area. I am is not ignorance area. Vedant's work is not on I am. Vedant's work is on suffix. Well, this is not, you are not knowing something. Therefore your problem is there. That means I have knowledge also and I have ignorance also. Now what is this working on? Ignorance will be in the mind only. Therefore the knowledge has to be in the mind to remove that ignorance which is in the mind. Okay. And therefore all the hard work. What hard work? Are you sitting for 3 hours? Leg is spinning, back is spinning. And my mind is not able to concentrate because of the pain. And you will think that I am not concentrating. But understand, my pain is there. You should have pain with my pain. So this ignorance that is there, it is to be removed by the knowledge. So knowledge will be in the form of dash. Knowledge will be in the form of प्रमाण तो हो गया. प्रमाण तो लोग knowledge in this the form of dash. Any knowledge is the form of thought. It was there. Every knowledge is in the form of thought only. इतना simple सा thing. I thought you will tell something difficult. Now another point. I need your attention. Only I'm giving attention. Shall I stand up? No. So I am saying, when any knowledge is there, there is a knower and there is a known knowledge about certain thing. Like I say, this is a watch. So there is a knower, and in my mind, actually it is possible that this may be outside, but knowledge may not be inside. Sometimes some things are kept and we keep on searching. Sometimes, where is my keys gone? I was at somebody's house, mobile rang. Immediately did like that. So I said, "Bhai, kya ho gaya hai?" Because the socket was there, used to keep the mobile here. In front of me, mobile rang. He got so embarrassed. But mobile was not there. He only hit his heart. So my point is, ध्यान देना, any knowledge happen, there is an object of knowledge and known is there. Why? Keys are there, but this thought is not there. This is the key. Right? Unless this thought is there, you won't have the knowledge. So, somebody said, what are you searching? Keys, room keys, class, I'm getting late, already I'm late. What is this? Where? Oh, so bad. Sorry, thank you. Thank you for what? Now what has happened? Only thought has come. Object has not come. Keys was there only. Only thought has come. So there was a knower, and object of the knower was the known. Keys is not there. Keys is not there. This person gave the knowledge. This is the key. So the object of the knowledge was, this is key. I know the key. Is it clear now? So any knowledge just brings the object of that knowledge. Now what is mentioned? What is an important aspect? I don't want to go into detail, although I'm very tempted to go into detail. Kya kare? Habit is like that. So when external object is there, you can objectify an object. This is watch. This is book. Can the knowledge of the Atma be there? That this is Atma. If this is a book, I lost the book. Well, book karke kuch hai which is in time and space. Anything if you can objectify, that means somebody is different than that. Somebody is different than that. Then only you can objectify. Bole nahi, hame Atma ka gyan hai. So Atma is object of knowledge or what? Is the Atma object of knowledge, that you had a knowledge of Atma, like you have a knowledge of flower, a knowledge of mic, or knowledge of that woman or man? Atma is not an object that you can know that this is Atma. This is Atma hai, I am knowing the Atma. Then what is this thought about? Are you all following that? So Atma cannot become an object. Ki ye Atma hai, I am having a thought of Atma. Atma cannot be put in the bag of thought. Because Atma is all pervading, Atma cannot be objectified, and somebody who puts in the thought, always the thinker will be no one other than the thing of which he is thinking. If I am thinking about the paperweight, I am different than the paperweight, although I may look like that. But I am different than the paper. If I'm anything which I'm thinking about, the thought has an object, and the knower is the different than the object which is the known. How can the Atma become the object of the knower of Atma? Bola hai become Atma ki vritti hai. How can you make a thought of Atma? I hope you are understanding what problem is there. Because sometimes you understand the solution, not the problem. क्या करें भाई इसका? Problem is, really speaking, supposing this is Atma and one thought is there. So you cannot put the Atma into the bag of known, because in the knower also Atma is there. In the known also Atma is there. Where thought is there, there also Atma is there. So Atma is not excluding anything. So how can Atma be the object of any thought? Then how can you have the knowledge of Atma? क्यों भाई? Is it clear what is the thing? This is a very typical and peculiar case. You cannot have knowledge about Atma. Well, we cannot have knowledge about Atma. What for we are sitting here? What for we are sitting and we are wasting our time? Or what if we cannot have knowledge of Atma? You could have told it earlier. I would have resting in my house, so much painting work is remaining. Attached bathroom had to be made. Tiling is going on in the bathroom. And here we are thinking about Atma, etc. ध्यान देना. No, I need your attention. If somebody catches, very good. Don't catches, don't worry. Relax. We are not having the knowledge of Atma. Atma is not the object of a thought. देखो, always knowledge has an object to remove where ignorance is. Ignorance is not about the Atma. Ignorance is the infinite nature of the Atma. So there is a thought which has an object, that Atma is infinite. Again say, slowly say. There is a thought which has an object, that Atma is not in time, space and object. Atma is not doer, enjoyer. This is the object of the thought. Got it? Object of thought is not Atma. Atma, object of thought is the knowledge that Atma is not, pura karo, is not limited. Because today I think it is limited. Today I think Atma is fat, thin. No, Atma. And how this knowledge has come? How this knowledge has come? Morning, evening, what we are doing, bhai? You are making that thought only. Through the Upanishad, through Guru Vakya, you got this knowledge. You are proved, convinced. Now this thought you continue. Atma is not having infinite, not having time and space. This knowledge removes what? Removes the ignorance. Which ignorance? I am finite. I am in time and space. I am having a body. I am working. I am sad. I am happy. This knowledge removes this ignorance. Knowledge is not about, knowledge is removing the sense of finiteness of Atma. And knowledge is not telling that Atma is there. It is operating only in that area where ignorance was there. So this knowledge removed the ignorance. ठीक है, बस हो गया काम. बोले after that what will happen? What will happen to this thought? Which one? Which removed? जाओ तुम भी जाओ. You also go. And that ignorance thought also, that both have gone. छुट्टी हो गई. Both are gone. What will you mean? I am the Atma only. Which Atma? Unconditioned self. This is what is mentioned as manasa ev avaptavyam. Therefore you need a thought knowledge. But in the scriptures many times it will be said, Atma cannot be objectified by the mind. I hope you understand what they said. When it is said it cannot be objectified by the mind, there it means that Atma cannot be any known object. It is not a known object. Na tatra chakshur gacchati, na vak gacchati, no manaha. But that does not mean that Atma can be known without the thought. Because thought is required for any knowledge. This topic needs little more discussion. Okay. And therefore thought is required. Thought will not reveal the Atma. Thought is not objectifying the Atma. Supposing I say, you are standing here. I did not see. Sorry, I missed you. So actually his whole thought came in my mind. So this is not Atma Gyan takes place. The thought of Atma comes. Thought of Atma cannot come. Atma is not a thought that a thought of Atma can come. It is a nivartak thought. It removes the ignorance of the infinite nature of the Atma. Atma is revealed as it was. This is the one point is there. Only thought is required. And therefore, please let me know. After knowing the Atma, will there be a thought that I know the Atma? Will there be a thought that I know Atma? No. But in other object, thought will be there, I know. I know watch is there. Because watch is different, Atma is different. And therefore you can say, I know watch is there, I know table is there, I know that this person is there. Don't tell me, I know that he was there. But for Atma, you cannot say, I know Atma now. Because you and Atma are one now. You are not knowing objectively the Atma. So this is not a thought that this I am the Atma, that I know that I am the Atma. I am knowing the Atma. This is absent in this knowledge. Other knowledges, I and known object are different. But in the knowledge of Atma, only Atma is there. There is no one who is separately knowing the Atma. You are knowing the Atma, but not as a separate thing. Separate object you are not knowing. Everything we know separately. I know it's a hot day. You are not a hot day. You are different than the hot day. I know that this sweet is very beautiful. Very good sweet is there today. So you are different than the good sweet. But Atma is not an object that you can say, I know the Atma. Ye dekho ye Atma aa gayi. You cannot say it. You cannot objectify it. And technically it is called, for the students I am telling, Vritti Vyapti is there, but Phal Vyapti is not there. And this is said here, Manasa eva vaptavyam. If it is difficult, then also you hear. I couldn't resist telling this. When you tell this, I have to understand. So much problem already I have in my life. I am not clear also. Every class I am not clear in this topic. Don't worry. Relax. Take Lord's name. Oh. देखो ध्यान देना. One thing I did not want to tell, but I am telling, maybe some of you will catch. I was avoiding this topic. This watch is there, or this flower is there. Flower. How this flower is known? So there is something called Pramarnalika, conduit of the means of knowledge. The vritti goes through, thought goes through the conduit of the means of knowledge. It's a conduit. Who? Ankh. Eyes are conduit. Ears are conduit. So it went out, it took the shape. Shape of what? Flower. You are not seeing outside flower, you are seeing inside flower. So ignorance has been removed of this. And after that, there is a reflection of the consciousness in that thought. Which thought? Flower thought. In that inside flower thought. And then you have a knowledge, I know the flower. In the case of Atma, the thought is there. Thought is required to remove the ignorance of fast. No. Ignorance of? Ignorance of limited Atma. Finitude of Atma. After that, what will happen? Will there be a reflection of the consciousness in that Atma? No. Khatam ho gayi baat. And this is said, vritti vyapti is there, phal vyapti is not. It is like that. One pot is kept in the dark room. Pot. It is surrounded by darkness. So you throw a light on the pot. Supposing pot is covered by some kind of cloth. So what you did? You removed the pot and threw the light on the pot. Then you will know the pot. Only light won't, because something it is covered by a black cloth. You don't know what is inside that. So what you did? You removed the cloth and then you threw the light on the cloth. Then you will say, okay, this is a pot now. But supposing this bulb is there, well lit bulb, totally covered by a dark, that you can't see anything. If I remove the cloth on the bulb, will I have to throw another light? Atma is like that. So other object, you remove the ignorance and throw the light of consciousness, then your RC is formed with particular object. I know this person, I know this taste, I am knowing sun, I know it is too late, I know it is too early. Everything you are knowing. But about the Atma, you don't know it separately. Only ignorance is removed and Atma is revealed by itself. You don't say, Arey, you are removing the cloth, now put the torch light on the bulb, burning bulb. No, it is already clear. ठीक है. ठीक है, I'm so tired. I think I should sleep now. So manasa ev avaptavyam neha nanasti. Here Nanaji is not there. No Nana, Dada, Kaka, Chacha, Papa. सब नाम कैसे आ गया ना? पापा, काका, नाना, और क्या है? आजा. कुछ नहीं, यहां नाना जी हैं. या नाना doesn't mean nana. Nana doesn't mean maternal grandfather. Nana means manyness. Some people may write, put a pointer, grandfather. It's not the meaning there. So here Nana means here Nana means that there is no manyness. And supposing somebody sees manyness, so Shruti is repeating and warning. Mrityo samrityum. What's the difference between the last month and this month? Second line, both is same. One word is different. Here it is gachati. Earlier was apnoti. I thought all are one. Mrityo samrityum gachati. He goes from one death to another death. He goes from one death to another death, taking one body, taking another body. Last birth he was a human being. This birth he became a rabbit. He was very fond of rabbit. So nice fur they have. White rabbit is there. So he made a hole for a rabbit in his house. And some rabbit food also he brought. The whole day and night he was thinking about the rabbit only. And he had put the name of the rabbit also, Rulu. Oh, Rulu. And that response also, that comes out. Very sweet rabbit is there. So whole day spending with the rabbit. And one day he had, holding the rabbit, he had heart attack. So last thought was of that rabbit only. He said, Rulu. Bas. So immediately he became a rabbit now. Because he was coming to the ashram, therefore he was put in the ashram. Because he liked the ashram, etc. That person. Don't this is real, it happens. Now इसका हो गया rabbit. How many years it lives? 4-5 years. Small life is there, and that rabbit is it walks out. अब जाओ इसी के साथ. And when the snake came, अब snake throttled the rabbit. कितना, if you see Discovery Channel, you see how much pain animals have. Five leopards and five tigers jumping on one deer. How much pain. They suffer a lot. These weak animals have very bad death. पता नहीं क्या कर्म था कि ये बन गई है, ये हो गया. जाओ मृत्यु से मृत्यु में जाओ फिर. Again that path is over. Again he is born somewhere as Satish Kumar Kesarwani. Small boy is there. Then he was brought up, but he was very weak in studies, so he used to get lot of beatings also. The teacher in the school, parents in the house. Weak students get lot of beating and lot of negligence. But he was a good person, therefore money was there too much. So he started a business which was good. For 14 years business went good. One day burglar came, they took away lot of money and beat him also. Then after that, then his time was okay. Again he started. Then one day he was walking, he slipped. His glasses broke, and one of the glasses pricked here. So his whole eyes is affected now. Because this is all how karma phal comes. I'm not joking that. I'm not joking. I'm trying to picturize it so that we also are understanding what the Shruti mother is saying to us. Say life chali jati hai puri. We are so busy in meeting our immediate problems that we don't know there is a series of problems waiting for me. And therefore they are saying that please know this nature of the self. We'll see more tomorrow.